Welcome to this video on Prepare Your Process for Automation. Once we have our model in BPMN, we need to transform it to a BIZUIT process so that it can be automated. For that, we'll click on Convert from BPMN. And we are presented with a flowchart in which a match is made between the activities and elements of BPMN and the activities and flows available within BIZUIT that we will see in more depth in our classes. We see that the Start event allows us to place a form. The Request Evaluation activity is assigned to the Support role. We have a bifurcation activity that we have not configured, so we get a warning icon. And in case it does not have an immediate solution, we get a user interaction task assigned to the Support role. Also, we can see that has an expiration of X days that we have to configure. We will do it later. And in case that expiration occurs, a task to solve the request assigned to the manager's role. We eliminate this additional task that we found in the transformation, and thus we have our process ready to be automated. We invite you to replicate this flow in your environment and explore the customization options.